This training video talks you through the process of talking in sequence. Begin to connect the images together by modelling out loud story-related vocabulary, both fictional and non-fictional. It doesn't matter which order the images are in, because you can connect them together in inventive but simple ways. For example, in this illustration, the sentence could say, "There was once an adventurous aeroplane which flew to the magical land of dinosaurs. It was full of tall, green trees." You can repeat this activity several times using different images and modelling different vocabulary. Begin to encourage the children to do this for themselves, supporting the development of their vocabulary and their understanding of story sequence. Introduce the use of arrows to follow the direction of the story, so children are reminded to follow the sequence of ideas in order, as in this example. Once upon a time, there was an alien who drove a submarine to a desert island. You can model to children how to experiment with changing the sequence of images to illustrate how this changes the content or meaning of the story. For example, a submarine went to a desert island where an alien lived. Children can use an increasing number of images as their ability to think of ideas and recall the sequence of events develops. Introduce the use of stars to represent adjectives and to encourage and recall increasing amounts of detail. For example, a submarine went to a desert island where a happy alien lived. You may choose to place a word in front of the images to model the use of sentence openers. For some groups of children, you may leave the mat out for them to practice moving the images around, sequencing retellings and making up simple stories. Poems can also be created by arranging and placing images and symbols on the mat in creative ways.